Hey, if you want to give or get a great massage, keep watching. My name is Rich Poley. I wrote the book Self-Massage for Athletes. Today, Tom and I will teach you a new way to feel about yourself with the squeeze or compression massage stroke. By the end of this video, you will know how to make yourself and your friends happier and healthier. This is the second of a 6-part series. It's a learn by doing video, so while you view it, do it. Let's get started. There are 7 strokes to a brilliant massage. Squeezing is the second. Squeezing is pleasing. It's as simple as squeezing your arm, your leg, your fingers, your toes, and your calves. Squeezing hugs and soothes your limbs. Massage therapists call this stroke compression. It's as simple as it looks. Just take hold of a part of your beautiful body and squeeze it. Use just enough pressure to move your flesh and feel good. Like all strokes, squeezing compresses your fascia and activates the pressure receptors under your skin. It warms your muscles, affects your circulation, strengthens your immune system, and improves your health. And it feels good. Try it. It feels better than it looks. Squeeze your triceps. Squeeze your biceps. Squeeze your foot. Squeeze your lower leg. There are 2 basic squeeze tools you can use. There's the one-handed squeeze tool and the two-handed tool. Let's try them both. First, the one-hander on your arm. Now move to a two-handed squeeze on your quads. That's all there is to it. Now that you've seen and felt the squeeze, let's go deeper and feel what the stroke can do for your arm and shoulder. Just squeeze your arm. It's hard to believe it's so simple and feels so good, but it does. So keep doing it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Try some variations on the squeeze stroke. Speed it up like so. Now slow it down, way down. Which feels better? Now try changing up your squeeze again by strengthening your grip. Squeeze hard. How does that feel? Okay, using the squeeze stroke, let's do a foot and lower leg massage. Just follow along with Tamra and let the music guide your hands. To feel the full effects of each squeeze, close your eyes and relax. Stop what you're doing, quiet your hands, and breathe. 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 It's time to relax and notice how good you feel. Reflect on what you learned today. You learned more than a squeeze. You learned a massage stroke that can help you get a grip and feel better anytime you need it. You learned a new way to feel about yourself and your friends. This is the second of a 6-part video series based on the book Self-Massage for Athletes, which introduced a new kind of self-massage. It's not your parents' self-massage, it's self-massage for your whole body. It's not assisted massage like you find in spas. It's do-it-yourself massage. It's active, not passive. It empowers you and teaches you about yourself. It's easy to learn and simple to do. It challenges, stretches, and exercises you. It helps you relieve pain in a new, more effective way. To learn more about this new kind of self-massage, check out our website at selfmassage.com. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button below to let us know, and subscribe to feel better fast. Self-massage. It's not just for cheapskates anymore.